Our sailing adventure has really just begun. I created this channel not solely as a sailing channel, but a video diary of our journey, struggles, and joys. In addition to sailing, it's about the journey, or years, of planning and prep work to get to where we want to go. Travel, food, secluded anchorages, quaint towns, and everything in between. That goal of getting a boat, learning to sail, sacrificing, fixing things up, and eventually traveling the United States, the Bahamas, and the Caribbean is one that will take years to play out. So please subscribe to the channel and click that little like button. It really helps.
The Kiwi Grip non-skid topping is something that we found pretty easy to do and pretty useful. As expected, prep work is the best part. You will need one of these smaller roller brushes. I use always gloves just to keep this stuff up in my hands, but so we get the 4 liter of white, which is enough to probably do a lot more of the boat. I think the whole boat took us about 8 liters in total. And then when you open it up, you have a little applicator, and this is kind of a rough texture, so it allows you to just kind of figure out what type of skid you want, whether you want it really grippy or less grippy, so it's really useful to do. And then you got these little bags, and there's a few of them in there because there's 4 liters. So each one is about 1 liter, and you basically just spread it on and then use the applicator to get the grippiness that you want. So it's really easy to do. It lasts great. Here's a portion that I already did, and you can see the level of grip. I mean, it's like sandpaper. Really, really nice, but you can kind of adjust that with this applicator. So the only thing you'll really need to buy is some painter's tape and this applicator handle, as well as the kit. Like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for new episodes. Thanks for watching.